Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage the total number of guests in the WPRentals theme. In the WPRentals theme, the search system only considers the default guest value of the property. This video will explain how to manage guest field in the cases when extra guests are allowed. The default guest field in the search will not sum the main guest number and the maximum extra guests allowed. In this video we will show how to create a total guests field and add it in the search form, listing page and listing cards. The best solution is to create a custom field that can be easily done from the theme options. For that you will need to go to admin WPRentals theme options, general listing custom fields. Here you can add a new custom field. You need to add the field name, the field label. This is the label that will show on front end. You need to set the field type. You can choose it as drop-down or numeric field. I will show an example with both of these scenarios. For the moment I will select it to be numeric and click to add the field here. I will set field order and save changes. Once the custom field is added, you will need to select it to show in the submission form. For that you will need to go to add listing page and payment settings. I will scroll down to look for the new field that I just added. This is the field. I will select it and save changes. This field needs to be manually filled in for each listing. I will show an example. I will do it from front end. So I will go to user dashboard, my listings. I will edit the property. Custom fields can be found under details. For this property I have 2 guests and 2 maximum guests allowed. So the total guest number will be 4. I will go to details. I will add 4 as total guests and save changes. Now that the field is created and the listing has the field filled in, you will need to make it searchable. For that, depending on the search type that you use, the total guest field needs to be added in the search form. On this domain, I have the search form that came with the demo import. This search type cannot be customized, but from theme options, you can select a search form like search type 3, 4 and 5, where you can add custom fields. So I will go to theme options, search, advanced search form. I will select search type 3 and save changes. Here you can add the fields that you need, and instead of the default guest number, I will select the total guest field. This is the one. For numeric type custom fields, you can set as compare term equal, greater or smaller. Equal means that the results will display the exact number of guests as the one that you look for. Greater will display results with an equal and greater number of guests, and smaller will return results equal or smaller than the number added in the search. I will select equal and save changes. Now on front end, I will have the guest field, which is a fill-in numeric field. I will add 4 and search, and I will have as result the property where I have 2 guests as default and 2 as maximum extra guests. I will go back to theme options and set the field as a drop-down. Here I will select drop-down, and in drop-down values you will need to add the numbers for the total guests. The drop-down values need to be separated with a comma. I will save changes. I will go back to the submission form, and now the field is a drop-down and the owner will need to select a value from the drop-down. I will go back to theme options, search, and for drop-down fields the compare term will be like, and now in the search you'll have the guest field as drop-down, and you can select here the value of the total guests. If you use a half map template for your search results, the total guest field needs to be selected in the half map search form as well. I have the main guest field from the demo, but I will replace it with the total guest field, and now users can filter by the guest number in the half map template as well. These are the steps for the search forms that are created from theme options, but the theme also includes the option to create search form on Elementor pages using the search form builder. I have such page here, and to add the total guest to a search form created with the search form builder, you will need to edit the page with Elementor, select the search form, can see that it was created with the search form builder, and here add a new field for total guests or edit an existing one. For 4 fields you'll need to select the total guest custom field, change the compare term depending on the field type. Last we set it as dropdown, so like will be the term, and save changes. Now in the search you'll have the total guests custom field. Next I will show how to display the total guests field in the listing page. You can display it here. For that you will need to go to theme options, listing page, go to listing page overview design, and here you can set custom fields for the section. You need to enable use custom icon area, and here you can select the fields that you want to display. You need to select here the field that will show. You can choose to display it with a label, with an image, or with an icon. You need to choose only one of these three options. I will set it with an icon. You can set up to 5 fields. Next I will select total guests, and I will also set property city, also with an icon. I will save the changes, and now on refresh, the overview section will show the fields that I set in theme options, including the total guest field. If you want to display the total guest number in property cards, in listing cards as well, the change can be done from theme options. You'll need to go to listing card design. The card type 3 will allow custom fields, so I will select type 3, and here you can select 4 custom fields. Here you can select the field that will show in the card. I will select total guests. You can set a label or an icon. I will leave the label and save changes. On refresh, the total number of guests will show in the property card. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.